moving to the practical part of this one, the patient perspective is the patient has to call to this hotline number, and it will be redirected with voice IVR, interactive voice response. With the instructions get from the IVR, you will be able to get a appointment from our hospital, and the patient will receive the confirmation SMS. Then with the SMS, the patient has to come to our OPD. We are online with Mobitel's web interface, and we can check the validity of the SMS, and we are issuing the priority card to the patient to go to directly to the M-channeling appointed doctor. This is the priority card. Then doctor will be doing the medical consultation and then sent to the priority counter at the dispensary to get the drugs dispensed at the dispensary. It is basically the simply the process behind of this M-channeling solution. As the administrators, what we have to do is we have to upload the available appointments from ourselves from the hospital to the M-channeling web interface. The authority of giving or not to giving appointments will be with the local hospital authority. And we have to arrange a M-channeling reception desk with the internet facility or with a machine with internet facility, and we have to provide the provision of the priority card. And we have to arrange a doctor especially for M-channeling catering, and especially M-channeling counter at the dispensary will be allocated for the M-channeling patients. And at the end of the process, the priority card will be reused, and it will be collected at the dispensary of the our hospital. This is usually what we are doing now, and we have thought of going with the USSD platform and web-based interface, and sometimes with a short code or GIC, Government Information Center 1919 system. The deployment requirement will be so easy: the computers and a broadband connection. Staff training is very minimal. We have to do the very minimal things, and there should be a person to administer all these things. And we have to, hospital has to brand on M-channeling service. We have launched it on 1 year back. It was incorrectly mentioned that it is 2014, but it is 2013 with under the patronage of Minister Ranjit Siyavalapitiya at our hospital. I should thankful to Presidential Secretariat. It was the main strength behind this solution, and our hospital staff and Ministry of Health Western Province, ICT, and our provider Mobitel for process success. Thank you.